I'm Professor Ramamurthy, Head of the Department Management Studies in Sri Ramanujan Engineering College, Vandalur, Chennai. Today we organized one-day workshop on confidence enhancement with Procademia, Chennai. So we have 5 sessions. The first session with Mr. Augustine. The first session we have taken mentoring. In that Mr. Augustine given the lecture and interacted with the student to go for what way the mentoring and how the mentor will be leading to go and what we are going to gain in future and how you want to go for keep up for your career. That's what very important. So the mentoring is kind of bring the reality to the individual life and taking to achieve the goal. So what the individual has, we are not able to identify. We want to identify from someone. That is what the mentor also helping by the real experience and real forum. Mr. Augustine taken the session. It's really useful to the student to go for bringing the reality in future. At this workshop we coordinated with the Procademia. The Procademia doing career guidance and mentoring. So mentoring not only for the student community and also the alumni student who is really with the college, and they will be taking and initiating so what really they wanted to have for the future to go, and they will be guiding for career to come up and leading to go for each and everything and every steps to go for and bring out the reality. That is what the Procademia doing. So Procademia helping in a number of things to identifying proportional to bringing inside the college and giving the exposure to the student. For the college, we giving academic forum. Through Procademia, we going for you can say employability skills, other knowledges to gain. Through that, the student they can come up in the life to identify the place to go for settle.